Effect of metformin, MET, in protection against oxidative stress and pancreatic damage using an animal model. This important article is authored by the following scientists. The present study investigated the effects of metformin, MET, in protection against oxidative stress and pancreatic damage using an animal model to assess the effect of metformin on oxidative stress in vivo and in vitro. Diabetes mellitus is a worldwide health problem that has a deleterious impact on life expectancy and quality. People with diabetes have a higher oxidation state, which is detrimental to homeostasis. Numerous tissues have demonstrated the antioxidant qualities of metformin. An oral medication for diabetes called metformin aids in blood sugar regulation. This study investigated the effect of metformin on total antioxidant markers in the serum and pancreatic tissue of alloxin-induced diabetic rats. Diabetic rats were randomized into 5 groups for treatment and received metformin 100,200,300 mg per kilogram orally once daily for 4 weeks. The antioxidant potential of evaluated total antioxidant status TAOS in vivo and through DPPH 1,1-diphenyl to picryl hydrazine scavenging assay at 517 nanometers in vitro. A considerable drop in elevated blood glucose level was observed in the alloxin-induced diabetic. At a dose of 100, 200, 300 mg per kilogram demonstrated increased significantly improvement rate percentage in M100, M200, M300 were 40.701%, 48.063%, and 48.101%, respectively after end of treatment compared to diabetic group that decreased 243.340%. Taus were significantly increased in treated group than diabetic group P is equal to 0.000*. The percentage of improvement rate elevation in treatment M100, M200, and M300 was 133.202%, 148.433% and 194.358%, respectively, compared with diabetic, while that percentage was decreased 65.677%. Also, it improved pancreas histopathology compared to the diabetic control group. It improved pancreas histopathology compared to the diabetic control group. Antioxidant activity using DPPH was found to increase in a concentration time-dependent manner. IC50 of metformin, 498.0 micrograms per milliliter, while ascorbic acid IC50 micrograms per milliliter 29.62. In alloxin-induced diabetic rats, metformin provides protective actions against free radicals and oxidative stress, as well as improving pancreas tissue histology and lowering blood glucose levels. Introduction. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells and are produced in our bodies naturally or through exposure to harmful conditions. When produced in excess, especially in diseases like diabetes, they lead to oxidative stress, damaging vital components like DNA, proteins, and fats. This damage plays a key role in many illnesses, including cancer, arthritis, and heart disease. In diabetes, high blood sugar increases free radical production and reduces the body's ability to fight them off, worsening the disease and causing complications. Our bodies use special enzymes and antioxidants to neutralize these harmful molecules. Metformin, a common diabetes medication, not only lowers blood sugar but also has antioxidant properties. It helps reduce the harmful effects of oxidative stress, protects cells, and may improve how the body responds to insulin. Ongoing research continues to explore how metformin and other treatments can manage or prevent damage caused by free radicals in diabetes. Conclusion. Metformin has protective effects against free radicals and oxidative stress in alloxin-induced diabetic rats, also enhances pancreas tissue histology and reduces blood glucose. These findings showed beneficial effects on the histology of the pancreas compared to the diabetic group, but still, histopathology parameters were not fully normalized. Changes in biochemicals observed improved antioxidative defenses. The fact that metformin provides additional antioxidant protection as an antidiabetic drug, thereby protecting the pancreas from oxidative stress-induced damage during diabetic complications. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.